this life is actually a test. Once people will pass, on the day of judgment, then people will realize. Few scholars says that the day of judgment is actually one of the, even the reason of the day of judgment. They say that Allah wants to open the status of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in front of the whole creation. More or less to the meaning, in the last ayat, Allah says, "Inna sha'niyaka huwal abtar." O Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your enemy, the one who is against you, will be deprived of any goodness, will be cut off from any goodness, and will be, in other words, the loser. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam the honor of the leader of the whole worlds, and the leader of the whole prophets and the messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the leader of all those selected people.